bedtime story.
Lily was walking home from school when she heard a soft whimpering from behind a bush. Curious, she peeked through the leaves and found a small, dirty puppy and shivering in the cold. Without hesitation, Lily scooped up the puppy and rushed home. Her parents agreed to let her keep it until they found the owner. She named the puppy Max. Lily put up posters and asked around, but no one came forward. Over the weeks, Max became her best friend, always there to greet her with wagging tail and excited barks. One day, a lady knocked on Lily's door. She had seen the posters and recognized Max as her lost puppy. Lily's heart sank, but she knew what she had to do. She returned Max to his rightful owner, tears streaming down her face. The lady, seeing Lily's sadness, said,
"You have a kind heart. You saved Max. Would you like to visit him anytime you want?"
Lily nodded, a smile breaking through her tears. She had lost a puppy but gained a friend and learned that kindness always finds its way back. Good night, my dear.